Watch me. See, it worked. On your butt. I can't reach it. Jump off backwards. That ain't gonna work. I just did it. I'm gonna totally flip. I'm belly bouncing it. See it out, work. That was fun. I'm gonna do it again. Let's put it on your butt.
You dropped the sunglasses.
Yeah!
That's not a smart idea to sit right here.
What?
It's not a smart idea to sit right here.
Okay. That just looks like it hurt. That should hurt. That's why I don't do it.
Get it, Sage. Get it, Sage.
Backwards. That's the part I don't think you do. Turn around, go backwards? Yeah. It's that turn thing at the end. Yeah, you turn and flop in. Turn. Turn, I don't like it.
I gotta plan it out first. My butt is not gonna, I can't do it. I'm plugging my nose. I have a feeling this is gonna be a good one. Okay. Holy fucking shit, that hurt my ass! Go!